How to get credits and free gifts in Temu. Hello everyone, I am Bishakha and welcome to our channel Create, Login and Delete. Let's get right into the tutorial and open Temu application on your device first. You can easily download Temu from your App Store or your Play Store. You will see the option for you on the bottom of your screen here. Click on that and now click on the Earn Credits and Free Gifts option. You will see various ways to earn credits and free gifts, such as by clicking on free gifts option, you will have to invite a friend and get rewards in return. Like I got free shipping on all free gifts. You can also redeem cash, enjoy free land, and get a chance to win up to $70 credit by clicking on Lucky Flip. Most of these free gifts basically work by referring to your friend or inviting your friend to Temu. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.